Welcome to our guide on using flashbangs effectively in Counter-Strike 2. We'll explore their purpose, mechanics, and how to master their use in your games. Flashbangs have a specific duration that plays a crucial role in gameplay. Understanding how long they blind enemies can turn the tide of battle. Let's dive into the basic and advanced throw techniques that can help you gain an edge over opponents using tactical flashbang throws. Timing is everything. Knowing when to throw your flashbang can maximize its effectiveness and ensure your team gains the upper hand. Effective communication with your squad is key. Ensure everyone knows when and where you plan to use your flashbangs for optimal team engagement. Positioning is vital. We'll highlight the best spots on each map for throwing flashbangs to ensure maximum coverage. Learn how to use flashbangs defensively to counter enemy strategies and gain valuable seconds in crucial moments. Understanding how to adjust for different fields of view can significantly influence how your flashbang affects enemy players. Don't forget your post-flashbang strategy. Capitalizing on the confusion created by your flashbang can lead to victories. In conclusion, mastering the use of flashbangs requires practice and an understanding of timing, positioning, and team dynamics. Use these tips to enhance your gameplay.